With our visitors, say good morning to Ajarn Tasani.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Good morning. Good morning, students.
Okay. Group 3, you look
Glad,
beautiful
glad
and
to see you
handsome
here.
today.
Okay.
You are
Oh,
wearing your
okay.
uniform, na? You are all very good. So, once again, good morning, students.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Harry.
teacher ค่ะ สวัสดี
Okay,
ค่ะ
how are you today?
I'm good. I'm
I'm
good.
good
Thank you. How about you?
Oh, teacher Karen is happy. Oh, by the way, did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
no
Sure?
Sure. Sure.
Okay, very good. So, are you ready for today?
Ready.
ready
So, if you are ready, can you give me 2 claps? Okay, very good. I think all group 3 are ready. So, let's start to our topic. Oh, by the way, may I request to everyone kindly turn on your camera. All group 3. Okay, can you please turn on your camera? Okay. So, okay, once again, welcome to Math 4. Yes. Oh, wait, are you happy today?
Happy.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay, so again, like as our routine, we have or you have rules to follow. How many rules do we have?
2.
Yes, very good. We have 2 rules. Number 1, what is it? Always.
always turn your camera off
Very good. Always turn your camera on. And what is the number 2 rule? What is it? This is turn off
Turn off
turn
your
off your
microphone.
phone.
And also, aside from turning on your camera and turning off your microphone, be ready, okay? Just be ready, just sit and relax. So, now, this day we have here a learning outcome that you will be learning today. So, you will be able to first define fraction, second, identify the parts of fraction, third, illustrate fraction, fourth, read and write fraction. So these are the learning outcomes for today. So before we proceed to our main discussion, I have vocabularies. Can you read it for me? Vocabularies.
Vocabulary.
vocabulary
Yes, very good. Thank you, group 3. So I have here 4 vocabularies. Number 1, fraction. Can you read it? Fraction.
Fraction.
fraction
Yes, very good. Next, numerator. Numerator.
numerator
Numerator.
Okay, very good. Next, denominator.
denominator
One more. Denominator.
Denominator.
denominator
And the last one is whole.
Whole.
Okay, one more. Whole.
Whole.
Again, how many vocabularies do we have? How many we have?
four
4 vocabularies. Now, all girls, girls only. Can you read it for me? What is it?
Fraction.
fraction
Very good. Now, boys. All boys, can you read it for me? Numerator.
Numerator.
Oh, where are the boys? Can you read it for me? Numerator. Oh, No boys, the all girls? Okay, Chawanlak, can you read it for me?
Numerator.
Okay, and this one? What is it?
Denominator.
Okay,
Denominator.
denominator. And the last one is whole.
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 Okay, these are the vocabularies that we might be encountered to our discussion. But before we start, what did you see on the screen? What is it? What is it?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Who eats pizza? Who eats pizza?
Kasanapon.
Oh, very good, teacher Karen. Also, I eat pizza too. So, before we start, I have here a saying. Always remember this saying. Sharing is caring. Can you read it? Sharing is caring. Yo.
Sharing
Is
is caring.
Yes, sharing is caring. It shows that you love your family, your friends, even your classmates by sharing something. Now, let us proceed now to our discussion. We are now in the unit 7. What is it? Unit 7. So, teacher, what is our topic in the unit 7? Our topic is about fraction. Again, what is it?
Fraction.
Very good. Now, what is fraction? What is fraction? Anyone? What is fraction? It was finished last year when you are in Pratham 3. It was done already. So, what is fraction?
Says the one.
Oh, yes, that is in Pasatay. But the definition of fraction is here. It is an equal part of a whole thing. Can you read it? It is
It is an equal part of
a whole
All
thing. Okay, now, what is equal? There is the word equal. When we will say fraction, make sure that it is always equal. Example, we have, oh, what is it?
cupcake.
Cupcake? Yes, it
Yes.
can be a cupcake, but this one is cake. Who likes cake? Who likes
Kasanapon.
cake? Oh, Kasanapon also. How about you, Chawanlak? Do you like cake?
Yes.
How about you, Pakwan? Did you eat cake?
Yes.
Yes, cake is yummy, right? Now, my question is, how many slices here? How many slices of cake do we have? How many slices? Can we count it? 1, 2,
3,
3,
8,
4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. So how many equal parts or how many slices of cake do we have?
8.
8. But when I will get this here, if teacher Karen will eat this, meaning you will get only one part of cake. You get only one part of cake. Next, here this one. What is it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Is it yummy?
Yes.
So, how many slices of chocolate are there? 6
6.
parts or 6 slices. Example, Chawanlak eat. Chawanlak eats this part. Oh, how many bar of chocolates does Chawanlak eat?
2.
Yes, Chawanlak eats how many parts?
2. 2
2 parts of
chocolate.
chocolate. Yes, that is the part that Chawanlak eat. Next one. Oh, we have cake, we have chocolate. What is it?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Did you eat pizza, right? Is
Yes.
pizza
Why?
yummy? Yes or no?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yes. Yummy.
So, how many pizza did you see?
6.
Oh, 6 pizza? Many, no? How many pizza? One
One.
pizza. What is the shape of pizza?
Circle.
Circle. So this is, we have one whole pizza. Can you read it? One whole
One
pizza.
pizza.
Now,
One.
that one whole pizza, I want it to share. I want it to give to the four students. To the four students. Example, this is Chawanlak. Here, student 1, Chawanlak. And this is Kasanapon. Here, Kasanapon. This girl is Pakwan. Here. Girl number 3 is Pakwan. And boy number 4 is Pumtam. Now, if I have one whole pizza, how many slices do I need to do? If teacher Karen will cut it here, is it equal?
No.
No, it's not. Now, how do we cut that? We will cut it here. So, look, how many parts do we have? How many parts do we have? We have
Two.
2 parts, but I want more. I want 4 parts. If I will cut it here again, oops, is it equal now?
Yes.
Now, how many parts of pizza do we have? Or how many slices? 8?
4.
Yes.
Who says 8?
Me.
Oh, who says 4?
Me.
Oh, can we count it? Let's count the slices. Go. 1,
One.
2,
2,
3,
3, 4.
4. So meaning this pizza was cut into how many equal parts?
4.
4 equal parts. Make sure they are all equal. Okay? They are all equal. So one part is for Chawanlak. Oh, and this part is for Kasanapon. And this part is for Pakwan. And the last part or the last slice is for Pumtam. Now, how many slices of pizza does each student get? Example,
4.
Chawanlak.
4.
Chawanlak, how many slices of pizza? Only Chawanlak.
1.
1. How about Pumtam? How many slices of pizza?
1.
1. Kasanapon?
1.
Pakwan?
One.
1. So, are the pizzas equal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So, not just only in pizza, chocolate, cake can we make fraction. Not only in foods, but also using the shapes. Oh, what shape is it?
Heart.
Heart. So, if I will cut the heart here, is it equal?
No.
No, it's not. So, we will not consider it as a fraction because we will make sure that when we cut, this is equal. Okay? Now, let's check before we proceed to our next topic. 2, 1. Okay. Here, it is an equal part of a whole. Can you read it? It is
Yes.
It
It
is
Is
an equal part.
part of a whole.
Yes, very good. So, what is it? A, fraction bar, B, over, or C, fraction? What is this?
Fraction.
What letter is it? A, B, or C?
C.
Who says C?
Me.
Sure? Sure? Who says A? A. Oh no. So the answer is C. Very good. Who's correct? Very good.
Me.
Is it
Me.
easy? Oh, very good.
Easy.
Is it easy?
Easy.
Very much. Yes. Next. We have
Or-
here also parts of fraction. Can you read it? parts
Parts
of
fraction.
fraction. So, in parts of fraction, we have 3 parts. Again, we have 3 parts. So, teacher, what are those parts? Oops, I have here. What number is it?
3.
3. So, we have a number above or the top number to this line. We also have a line here, line. And the number below the line, what number is it?
8.
Number 8.
8.
So each number has a part. So now what part is number 3? This number 3 is what we call numerator. Can you read it? Numerator.
Numerator.
Okay, so for you to clearly understand, look at this letter U. Here, U means up, okay? This U means up, okay? Next, this line, this is what we call fraction bar. One more, fraction bar. Go. Can you read it?
Fraction bar.
Remember na? That line between the numbers is what we call fraction bar. And this number 8, who can tell me what part is it? Who can tell me what part is it? It is started with letter D. What is it? Can you guess it? Oh, this number 8 is what we call denominator. Can you read it? Denominator.
Denominator.
Okay, clue. For you to know if that number is denominator, look at this letter D here. Letter D means down, okay? Letter D means down, below. And this letter U means up, okay? Up. Now, what is denominator? I repeat, what is denominator? When we say denominator, it is the total. Okay, can you read it? It is
It is the
the total number of,
of equal parts.
Equal parts.
yes, very good. It is the total number of equal parts. What is the keyword? The keyword is
Total.
total. So, equal parts, let's say I have here. Oops, what is it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. So,
Chocolate.
how many slices of chocolate do we have?
8. 8.
8.
8.
So, means if we have 8 slices, that is denominator. Okay? We have 8 equal parts. We have 8 equal parts. Now, that is our denominator. Next, what is numerator? When we say numerator, it shows how many parts you have. Again, let's read it. It shows, where are the group 3? Let's read it again. 1, 2, 3, go. It shows
Shows how many parts you have.
yes, or it is the part that you eat. It is the part that you eat. And also, when we say numerator, like what I've said, it is the upper number. So, if we have 8 parts, here we have 8 parts, let's say I eat, teacher Karen will eat. I eat 3 parts, here, the numerator. I eat 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. That is our numerator. The part that you eat, or let's make it easy, the part that has a color. Okay? Here, I will color it. I color this one. 1, 2, 3. This is our numerator. Okay? Another example for you to clearly understand. Okay, one more. What shape is it? Is it circle?
No.
No.
Triangle.
Oh, triangle. Who says triangle?
Me.
Me.
Triangle.
Who says rectangle? What shape is it?
No.
Oh,
No.
triangle. This is triangle, right? This is
Triangle.
triangle. So what shape is it?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. This is rectangle. Now,
Rectangle.
I cut this into how many equal parts do we have? Can you count it?
16.
Oh, one more. Can you count it?
12.
How many equal parts do we have?
Oh, no. 12.
Yes, very good. We have 12 equal parts. Again, 12
Equal parts.
parts. Very good. So can you give me one clap before we continue? Okay, thank you, group 3. Now, if we have 12 equal parts, and teacher will color these parts. Now, how many parts was shaded? How many parts has a color?
5.
5. So remember, the parts that has a color is 5 parts. Now, using this picture or this diagram, let us identify, what is it?
7.
Oh, we will read it first. Numerator.
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 This one, denominator.
Denominator.
And this one, fraction form.
Fraction.
And the last one, we have in words. Can you read it? In words.
In
So,
word.
I repeat, using this figure, we will identify the numerator, denominator, fraction form, and in words. So, let's start. What do you think is the numerator? Like what I've said a while ago, numerator is the part that has a color. So, what do you think is the numerator?
5.
Yes, the numerator is 5 because here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has a color. And in this part, by identifying denominator, some of the students got not the correct answer. So, let me ask you, group 3, what do you think is the denominator?
12.
Sure?
Sure.
Who says 7? Oh, no one?
Okay,
Who says? Oh, you 7? No, okay, one student. Answer is 7. Who says the denominator is 12?
Me. 12.
Me.
Yes, very good. The denominator is 12. Why, teacher? Because we have read a while ago is the total number of equal parts. So, how many equal parts do we have? We have 12 equal parts. Now, how will you write that in fraction form? It's very easy.
7.
In fraction form, you will write this in 5 over 12. That's it. 5
7.
over 12. This is the answer already. Fraction form, you will write. Can you read it? 5 over
over
12. Just copy the numerator and denominator. Okay? Is it easy?
Easy.
Easy.
Copy 5 over 12. So, next, how will you write that in words? Very easy, group 3. Look at this number. What number is it?
5.
5. Can you spell to me the word 5? Can you spell to me? How will you spell 5? F
I V E.
Yes, F-I-V-E. That is 5. And this line, how will you write that line? Class, this one is wrong na. Look, teacher. This one, 5. Poop. Line. 5. Line. 12. 5. Line. 12. Listen, group 3. 5. Line 12. This is wrong. Okay? Yes. Don't write this one. Now, how will you write that? Like this. We will write it here. 5 over 12. Okay? This over represents this line. Okay? Easy?
Easy.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay, next. Let's proceed. Oops. Now, look at this. In our example, I changed this. First, we have in words. Oh, very easy. Can you read it for me? How we read this?
5
5 over
over 6.
Okay, very good. 5 over 6. Now, if I'm asking you students, how will you draw that? Any shape can. You can use circle. You can use rectangle. You can use square. It's okay. But I use, what shape is it? I use rectangle. So this rectangle, I will cut it into how many equal parts? How many equal parts do I need to cut it here?
6.
5 or 6?
6.
Very good. This is 6. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many equal parts do I have?
6.
Okay. Oh, only one luck. I only have one student. How about the others? Can you give me one clap?
6.
Oh, 2 claps. Okay, thank you. So, we have 6 equal parts already. Now, how many parts do I need to color?
5.
5. Very good. So, count. How many is it?
1,
1,
2.
2,
2, 3,
3,
3
4,
4,
and 5.
5
5.
It's easy, right? Group 3, is it easy? Yes. So, using this example in words and the illustration, let us identify what is numerator, denominator, and fraction form. So, what do you think is our numerator? What is it? Sure?
5.
Who says 5? Okay, the numerator is 5. How about denominator? What is denominator?
6.
6
6.
Who says 1? Is it 1?
No.
No, not 1. So this is 6. So after knowing the numerator and denominator, how will you write that in fraction form? Oh, teacher Karen will write it here. 6 over 5. Is it correct?
No, change.
We will change it. How we will write this? Which number is
5 over 6
this one? Is it
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
Yes. So can you read it? How will you read this one?
5 over
5
6.
over 6
Very good. This is 5 over 6. Very easy, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, one more. Oops. Oh, did you know what shape is it? Anyone can tell me what shape is it? This shape is what we call decagon. Can you say it? Decagon.
Oh, 10, 10.
decagon
Yes, what is it? Kasanapon, what is it?
10.
10.
Very
10.
good. This is 10. So, teacher Karen will cut it here. Whoop. How many equal parts do we have?
2.
2. If I will cut it here again, is it equal? Are the parts
No.
equal? No. If I will cut it here, Is it equal?
No.
No.
No. One more. I cut it here. Is it equal?
No.
No.
No, it's not. One more time. I will cut it here. Is it equal?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, how many equal parts do we have? Count. Oh, you can count it. Go.
10. Teacher, 10.
How many?
10.
10.
Yes, we have 10 equal parts. Now, if we have 10 equal parts, if I will color it, how will you write this in fraction? What is it in fraction?
1.
One what? 1.
1 over
10.
10.
Yes, very good. 1 over 10. If
10.
I will color this part, oh, what? How will you write this in fraction form?
2. 2
Over
over
10.
2
2
over
over 10.
10. If I will color this part, what is the fraction form?
3 over
3 over 10.
Yes, very good. And I want to color this part. What is the fraction?
4
4
10.
over 10.
4 over 10. Oops, I want to color it again. What is the fraction form?
5 over 10.
5 over 10.
Yes. And I want it to color again. What is the fraction?
6 over 10.
And here, I want to color it again.
7 over 10.
7
7 over 10.
over
And
10.
I want to color it again. What is it?
8 over 10.
8 over 10. So, using this, let us identify. What is it?
8.
Oh, can you read it first? Numerator.
Numerator 8.
This one, what is it? Dina.
Denominator.
Very good. And this one?
Fraction.
Fraction 4.
Good job. And the last one, what is it?
Inverse.
Inverse.
Inward. So, look at this picture. What do you think is our numerator?
8.
8.
Sure?
Sure.
Sure. How about the denominator? What is it?
10.
10.
2.
Oh, who says 2? What is it?
10.
10.
10.
And how will you write that in fraction form? Is it this one?
8.
No.
No.
Is it this one?
No.
No, it's
8.
not. So how will you write that?
8 in on.
8 over 10.
8 over 10. One more. Let's read it one more time. 8
8
over
over 10.
10. Very good. So how will you write that in words? Make sure your spelling is correct. Anyone who can spell 8? How will you spell
E.
I? What else? E-I,
H.
G.
G.
What's next?
H
H
T
and T. Very good. So this is the spelling of 8. So write that in word. 8 over 10. Can you read it?
8 over 10.
8 over 10. Easy, right?
Easy. Yes. Easy.
Sure? Yes. Okay, one more example. One more. It's easy also. Oops. Oh, how many rectangles do we have here?
2.
2. So, how many equal parts of rectangle are there? Example, this rectangle. How many equal parts are there?
6.
6. Very good. 6 equal parts. But look, I will show it here. 6 over 6. 6 over 6. How many? What is your denominator? What is your denominator?
6.
6. And what is your numerator?
6.
6. So, if, remember this one. If the numerator and denominator is the same, okay? I repeat. If the numerator and denominator is the same, it is always equal to 1. Always na. Example, one more. 10 over 10. Is it the same?
Yes.
Yes, same. So, 10 over 10, same. It is equal to what?
1.
Yes, equal to 1. Oh, one more. 1 million over 1 million is equal to what?
1.
1. 5 over 5 is equal to
One.
what?
1.
1 over 1 is equal to
1.
0.
1. Oh. 1 over 1, same. 1 over 1 is equal to
1.
1, always. Oh, sit properly. Can you sit properly, Kasanapon? May I request? Okay, thank you. So, let's start to this. 6 over 6, or is equal to 1. How many parts do I need to color it here? How many parts?
Right.
We will color it 6 parts because the numerator is 6. We will color it all. Meaning, remember, if it has a color, all of this has a color. This is what we call one whole. Okay? One whole.
1.
Next. Yes, one whole. Next. This one. What is it?
5 over 6.
Yes, 5 over 6. So, in 5 over 6, what is the denominator?
1.
5 over 6, what is the
Six.
denominator?
6.
What is it? 6. Very good. So, if the denominator is 6, how many parts do I need to color?
5.
5.
5 parts because this is our numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how will you write that in words? Remember, look at this. Listen carefully. This number 1, one whole. One whole, 1. We will combine. Teacher, how do we combine it? One whole plus our fraction, which is 5 over 6. One whole plus 5 over 6 is equal to what, teacher? When we will combine it, it is equal to 1. You need to write it big. 1 and 5 over 6. Okay, how will you read it? 1. This is one whole. 1 and, can you read it? And 5
5
over
over
6.
6.
Okay, in words, we will write it. Again, this is a whole number, Can you spell to me the word 1?
1.
Spell, how will you spell 1?
O.
O.
Oh.
N.
O and
E.
1. This is 1. And A
A. N. D.
and D. Very good. A and D. So one whole finish. What is it?
5.
What is it?
5
5.
Over 6.
How will you spell 5?
F-I-V-E.
V.
Yes, F-I-V-E.
V-E.
F-I-V-E. 5 over. Can you spell to me the word over?
O.
O V
E. R.
E
R.
R. Oh, teacher, easy. How about 6?
S.
S-I-X.
X.
Oh, very good. So S I X. this is how are you going to write if you will see a whole part. One more time, can you read it? 1
1
1 and
5
5 over 6.
6. How about this one? How will you read it? I don't know how to read it. Can you help teacher Karen? Can you help me to read this one? Anyone?
3 and 4 over
3 and 4.
Okay, very good, group 3. Is it easy?
easy.
Easy.
Sure?
Short. Easy.
Okay, so if in English it's easy, I want you to understand it inside. So sit properly and listen to teacher Ye. Okay? Oh, wait. Give me 1 clap. 2 claps. Okay, now listen to teacher Ye.
โอเคค่ะเด็กๆวันนี้นะคะเราเรียนเกี่ยวกับความหมายนะคะและการอ่านการเขียนเศษส่วนนะลูกนะวันนี้เราไปดูกันนะคะเรามารู้จักความหมายของเศษส่วนก่อนนะคะซึ่งทีเชอร์ได้อธิบายเป็นภาษาอังกฤษไปเรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะโอเคทีเชอร์ next เศษส่วนนะคะเศษส่วนหมายถึงจำนวนที่ไม่เต็มจำนวนหน่วยนะคะซึ่งประกอบด้วย2จำนวนลูก2จำนวนซึ่งถูกขั้นด้วยส่วนของเส้นตรงนะคะจำนวนหนึ่งอยู่เหนือส่วนของเส้นตรงเรียกว่าตัวเศษนะคะอยู่เหนือส่วนของเส้นตรงเรียกว่าตัวเศษนะคะจำนวนอีกจำนวนหนึ่งนะคะอยู่ใต้เศษส่วนนะคะอยู่ใต้ส่วนของเส้นตรงเรียกว่าตัวส่วนนะคะเรียกว่าตัวส่วนดังนั้นเราจะมีคำศัพท์2คำเพิ่มเข้ามาก็คือตัวอะไรลูกตัวเศษกับตัว
เศษกับ
ส่
ตัว
วน
เศษ
ไปดูตัวอย่างกันค่ะเด็กๆไปดูตัวอย่างกันนะคะต่อไปคุณครูมีรูปสี่เหลี่ยม1รูปนะคะโดยแบ่งออกเป็น2ส่วนเท่ากันนะคะในการเขียนเศษส่วนได้นะคะเด็กๆต้องแบ่งให้เท่ากันนะคะไม่ว่าหนูจะแบ่งเป็นกี่ส่วนนะคะหนูต้องแบ่งออกแต่ละส่วนต้องเท่ากันโดยรูปนี้นะคะครูแยกมีรูปสี่เหลี่ยมนะคะสี่เหลี่ยมผืนผ้า1รูปโดยแบ่งออกเป็น2ส่วนเท่ากันนะคะและครูแยกระบายสีไป1ส่วนระบายสีไป1ส่วนนะคะโดยส่วนที่ระบายสีนะคะเป็น1ใน2ของรูปสี่เหลี่ยมทั้งหมดโดย1ใน2เนี้ยเราจะเขียนแทนเศษส่วนได้ก็คือเศษ1ส่วน2โดยตัวเศษนะคะตัวเศษคือส่วนที่เราสนใจนั่นก็คือส่วนที่เราระบายสีหรือแรงเงานะคะตัวเศษคือส่วนที่เราสนใจนะคะคือเศษคือ1ส่วนตัวส่วนก็คือส่วนที่เราแบ่งออกทั้งหมดไม่ว่าเราจะแบ่งออกเป็นทั้งหมด8ส่วน10ส่วน100ส่วนนะคะนั่นก็คือส่วนที่เราแบ่งทั้งหมดนะคะเราจะเขียนอยู่ในรูปเศษส่วนได้ก็คือเศษ1ส่วน2เวลาอ่านเศษ1ส่วน2โอเคนะคะเดี๋ยวไปดูอีก1ตัวอย่างต่อไปเลยค่ะต่อไปนะคะเรามาดูความหมายของเศษส่วนจากของสิ่งเดียวนะคะนั่นก็คือมีรูป1รูปแบ่งออกเป็นกี่ส่วนจากของสิ่งเดียวนะคะเราไปดูครูยักษ์มีพิซซ่า1ถาดโดยครูยักษ์แบ่งนะคะพิซซ่าถาดเนี้ยออกเป็น6ส่วนเท่ากันนะคะแบ่งพิซซ่าออกเป็น6ส่วนเท่ากันโดยคุณครูระบายสีออกเป็นกี่ส่วนลูกระบายสี
ออกเป็น2ส่วน
ระบายสีกี่ส่วนลูก
4ส่วนค่ะ
4ส่วนนะคะระบายสีเป็น4ส่วนโดย4ใน6นี้จะเขียนแทนเศษส่วนได้ก็คือนะคะเศษอะไรลูก
เศษ4ส่วน6ค่ะ
เศษ4ส่วน6โดย4มาจากส่วนที่ระบายสีนะคะก็คือ6คือส่วนที่เราแบ่งทั้งหมดเลยคือพิซซ่า1ถาดแบ่งออกเป็น6ส่วนเราก็จะเขียนอยู่ในรูปเศษส่วนได้ก็คือเศษ4ส่วน6นะคะเวลาเราอ่านและเขียนนะคะต้องเขียนให้ถูกต้องไม่เขียนว่า4ส่วน6นะคะต้องเขียนว่าอะไรลูก
ษ4/6ค่ะ
โดย4เป็นตัวเศษนะลูกนะ6เป็นตัวส่วนโอเคนะง่ายๆเลยหนูเพียงแค่ดูรูปภาพให้ถูกนะคะว่าสิ่งที่เราสนใจนะคะสิ่งที่เราสนใจนะคะเขาสนใจอะไรระบายสีกี่ส่วนทั้งหมดแบ่งออกเป็นเท่าไรนะคะโอเคไปดูอีกหนึ่งตัวอย่างนะคะคือความหมายของเศษส่วนจากของเป็นกลุ่มลูกเพื่อเราไปเจอนะคะของที่เป็นกลุ่มครูยักษ์มีคัพเค้ก9ชิ้นแต่ครูยักษ์แบ่งออกเป็น3กลุ่มเท่ากันโดยจะได้คัพเค้กกลุ่มละ3ชิ้นใช่ลูกเรามองเป็นกลุ่มนะครูยักษ์แบ่งคัพเค้กส่วนที่ระบายสีออกเป็นกี่กลุ่ม
2 กลุ่มค่ะ
กลุ่มครับ
คือ2 ใน 3ของคัพเค้กทั้งหมดของกลุ่มคัพเค้กใช่ไหมลูกดังนั้นเวลาเราเขียนอยู่รูปของเศษส่วนเราจะเขียนได้เป็น
เศ
เศษ6ส่วน2
ค่ะ
ใหม่นะคะหนูมองเป็นกลุ่มครูแยกออกเป็นแบ่งออกเป็น3กลุ่มนะคะเวลาเรามองเป็นกลุ่มครูแยกระบายสีไปทั้งหมดกี่กลุ่ม
2ครับ
2 กลุ่มค่ะ
ตัวเศษหรือตัวส่วน2คือตัว
เศษ
เศษ
ตัวเศษส่วนทั้งหมดครูแยกออกแบ่งออกเป็นกี่กลุ่มทั้งหมด
3
ดังนั้นเขียนอยู่ในรูปของเศษส่วนได้ก็คือเศษ
2/3ค่ะ
เศษ2ส่วน3หรือเศษ3ส่วน2
เศษ2/3
ส่วน3ครับ
โอเคค่ะเศษ2ส่วน3 2มาจากส่วนที่ระบายสี2กลุ่มโอเคนะ3มาจากกลุ่มทั้งหมดที่คุณครูแบ่งคัพเค้กออกเป็น3กลุ่มโอเคนะอันนี้เรามองอยู่รูปของกลุ่มต่อไปตัวอย่างสุดท้ายนะคะตัวอย่างสุดท้ายนะคะครูเอ็กมีรูป2รูปโดยรูปแรกครูเอ็กแต่ละรูปแบ่งออกเป็น4ส่วนเท่ากันนะคะแบ่งออกเป็น4ส่วนเท่ากันโดยรูปที่1ครูแยกระบายสีเต็มจำนวนเลยทั้งหมด4ส่วนนะคะและรูปที่2นะคะครูมี4ส่วนแต่ครูระบายสีแค่กี่ส่วนลูก
3 ส่วนค่ะ
3ส่วนโดยรูปที่1นะคะจะเขียนแทนเศษส่วนได้ก็คือเศษ4ส่วน4ก็คือระบายสีทั้งหมด4ส่วนจากทั้งหมด4ส่วนนะคะระบายสีทั้งหมด4รูปจากทั้งหมด4ส่วนที่เราแบ่งเท่ากันเศษ4ส่วน4มีค่าเท่ากับ
1ค่ะ
คือ1คือจำนวนเต็มรูปหนูมองนะคะเศษ4ส่วน4มาจากระบายสีเต็มจำนวนของ1รูปนั่นก็คือมีค่าเท่ากับ1นะคะ1นะคะเป็นจำนวนเต็มนะคะจากรูปนะคะส่วนที่แรงเงานะคะมี1กับอีกเท่าไหร่ลูกเศษอะไร
เศษ
รูปที่2
เศษ3ค่ะ
ส่วนอะไรลูก
ส่วน4ค่ะ
เศษ3ส่วน4คือระบายสี3ส่วนจากทั้งหมดกี่ส่วน
4 ส่วน
โอเคนะคะสามารถเขียนอยู่ในรูปของการบวกได้ก็คือรูป2จำนวนเนี้ยนำมาบวกกันได้เป็น1บวกเศษ3ส่วน4หรือนะคะหรือเขียนได้อีกแบบหนึ่งก็คือ1เศษ3ส่วน4นะคะซึ่ง1เศษ3ส่วน4เป็นจำนวนคละนะคะเป็นจำนวนคละเวลาอ่านว่า1เศษ3ส่วน4เด็กๆอ่านตามรูปพร้อมกันนะคะ
1เศษ3ส่วน4
เหมือนกับของทีเชอร์ใช่ไหมลูกเหมือนภาษาอังกฤษเลยนะคะภาษาอังกฤษก็ต้องอ่านจำนวนเต็มก่อนแล้วค่อยอ่านเศษส่วนจำนวนนี้เรียกว่าจำนวนคละนะคะซึ่งเด็กๆยังไม่ทราบเดี๋ยวชั่วโมงต่อไปคุณครูก็จะสอนในเรื่องของจำนวนคละอีกครั้งหนึ่งวันนี้นะคะรู้จักความหมายอ่านและเขียนให้ถูกต้องโอเคนะลูกนะมีใครสงสัยไหมคะไม่มีนะโอเคเดี๋ยวให้ทีเชอร์ไปต่อเลยนะคะ
Okay, thank you, teacher. All right, students, can you give me one clap? Okay, so we are done in English and in Pasatay now. Let's proceed to our, what is it?
Game time.
Game time. Are you excited? So, in game time, let's start. 4, 3, 2, 1. So, for our practice game, I have here how many numbers? Did you see on the screen? 7 numbers. So, one of these number, listen to teacher, one of these number is bonus. Okay? Teacher, what is bonus? If you choose bonus, all group 3 plus 5 points. Okay? Do you like that? Do you like that?
Yeah.
If you choose a number that is a bonus, all group 3 plus 5. So let's start. What number do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is it?
3.
Okay. Oh, wait. Let's start with number 3. Oh, you said 3. Whoop. Oh, can you read it? What is?
What is 9 over 10
In fraction
In
form.
fraction form.
Okay, wait. A, this one. B, this one. And C, this one. What is your answer?
B.
A, B, or C?
B.
Are you sure? Is it B?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who says A? A.
No.
No. C. How about C?
Me.
C. 9 over 8. Is it C? Who says
No.
B? Who says B?
Me.
Okay, let's see letter B. Your answer is B. Okay, very good. Who's correct?
Me.
Very good. Next. One more. Number 3 finish. What number do you want?
Number 7.
Number
Number
7. Let's see number 7.
7.
Oh, what is the correct illustration of 16 over 16 or 1? Or 1? Sure? A. A.
Me.
A. A.
No.
B. C. Who says C?
Me.
Sure?
C.
But let's see letter C. Okay, very good. Who's correct?
Me.
Who got 2 points already? Oh, very good. Next, one more. Number 3, number 7, finish. What do you want?
Number 5.
Number 1.
Number?
5.
Let's see number 1. Who says number 5? What do you want? 1 or 5?
5.
1.
1.
Let's see 1. Let's see number 1. Whoop. Oh, what is fraction? A, it is part of a whole thing, or it is an equal part of a whole. B, it separates numerator and denominator. C, it shows how many parts you have. What is it? A, B, or C? What is fraction? It is part of a whole thing. It separates numerator and denominator. It shows how many parts you have. What is your answer? A, B, or C?
B.
Who says B? B. Okay, let's see letter B.
Me.
Oh,
Me.
no, it's not letter B.
A.
Try one more. What is it?
A.
Who
A.
says A?
Me.
No.
Who says A? Who says C? C.
Me.
Okay, let's see letter A. Are you sure A na? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Who got the correct answer?
Me.
Who got 3 points already? 3 points. Okay. 1, 3, 7, finish. What's next?
5.
Okay, let's see 5. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, bonus. So, what does it mean? All group 3 plus what point?
5. 5.
Plus 5. So, 3 plus 5. What is your score now? 8. So, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. Finish. What's next?
6.
6. Let's try 6. Oh, very easy picture. Can you read it for me? Can you read this? What is
7 over 11 in
words? What is it?
B.
A.
B.
A. Who says A? B. Who says B?
B.
C. C.
Oh no.
No. What is it?
B.
Let's see B. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Who's correct?
Me.
Who got 9 points already?
Me.
Okay, so is it easy?
Yeah.
Easy. What
Okay,
number
if-
4?
Oh, you want number 4? Oh, let's try number 4. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
What is the fraction form of this diagram? A, 1 over 2, B, 4 over 5, or C, 5
B.
over 9? What is it?
B.
Who says B?
B.
Me.
Pumtam, what is your answer, Pumtam? Oh, Pumtam, answer B. Who says C, 5 over 9?
C.
Sure? Let's see Pumtam's answer. Pumtam, what is your answer? B. Let's see Pumtam's answer. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, is it B?
No.
Try again, one more. It's okay. What is it?
C.
How many parts has color? How many parts has color?
5.
5. So, how many equal parts do we have in total?
9.
So, what is the answer?
C.
The answer is C. Very good. So, who got 10?
Me.
Me.
Very good, group 3. So, is it easy?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, we have fraction. What is the other one? Numerator. Third,
Numerator. Denominator.
yes, denominator. And the fourth one, whole. Right?
Whole.
So, let's proceed now to our... Oh, don't worry. It's easy. Very easy. Okay, let's proceed now to our worksheet. Can you get your worksheet? Here, this one.
Oh, teacher,
Here.
that I'm finished now.
Oh, you're finished very fast. Pungtam. This one, can you get your worksheets? Tomorrow na, remember, tomorrow we will use book, the color green book. Because this one is not in your book.
I copy.
Can you get this worksheet? So what will you do? Write the fraction for the shaded areas in numbers and words. So very easy. What will you do? What is it? In numbers. You will write this in fraction form and also in words. Okay? Group 3. Get your worksheet and answer these easy worksheets. It is just only 4. And if you are finished, finish very fast, Pumtam.
ทำมาตั้งนานแล้ว
Okay, so open your camera. I want to see if you are answering your worksheets. Okay, I will exit it now. Oh, wait. One more time. Remember this saying. Sharing is caring. Always remember this saying. Sharing is caring. So, open your camera. I want to see if you are all answering your worksheets.